Welcome back to Lefevre Theater for Keeping It Real, a festival of one-act plays. This has been a really awesome experience. As theater majors, we have to do a senior project, and this year we decided to put on a festival of one acts. They are all written by students, a lot of them are directed by students, and all the production is by students. There's a lot of different genres. There's comedy, there's drama, there's hope, and also, if you're a student at St. Mary's, you've experienced seminar. And so it's really cool to get to go see a show that's written about a unique St. Mary's student experience. I have been able to step up not only as a director, but as an actor, because I've learned how to see it from a different perspective, and I've been given the tools and the agency to be able to put a show on stage that I helped produce, which has been a really cool experience.
I've been to the movies.